Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to Krefex Academy, where we learn English and French together. Today, we're diving into the bilingual greetings and introductions chart. It's a simple and fun way to master basic phrases. Let's start speaking confidently in English and French. Hello, how are you? Bonjour, comment ça va? Good morning. Bonjour. Good evening. Bonsoir. What's your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? My name is John. Je m'appelle John. Nice to meet you. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. How old are you? Quel âge avez-vous? I am 25 years old. J'ai 25 ans. Where are you from? D'où venez-vous? I am from France. Je viens de France. See you later. À plus tard. Have a good day. Bonne journée. Goodbye. Au revoir. Take care. Prends soin de toi. Welcome. Bienvenue. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Let's keep learning together. See you next time.